Hey guys, I've got some cool things to show you. Do you know what this is? This is called a letter board. This one was made by a dear friend years ago, and it is a tool that helped me learn how to channel. This is how I began my channeling work, was with a letter board and a pendulum. And I would sit with my mentor, with my teacher, and with other people in class, and we would learn how to use our pendulum to connect to our higher self, or our spirit guides, or our ancestors and loved ones on the other side, and we would get messages, words, and phrases spelled out for us using the pendulum and the letter board. Amazing, right? It was and is. It's a thrill. It's the way I learned to channel, and it's the way I teach others how to channel. So what's channeling? Channeling to me is connecting to divine energy and wisdom. And the great news, despite what you might have heard, is that we can all channel. We are all channels. All of us can learn how to channel. Channeling is a birthright, and here's why. The divine energy and wisdom that we are connecting to is not something that exists outside of us. We don't have to go far away in order to access it and bring it back. It's actually something that's within each of us. So once you know that, and once you learn some techniques and strategies and tools and practices that I teach in my channeling masterclass, you can learn how to get out of your own way and be a vessel to receive messages and insights, guidance, and direction from spirit, from your higher self, from your spirit guides, from your ancestors, your loved ones, wherever you wish to take your channeling. So I am excited to invite you to join us in my next masterclass, which starts September 7th. You will want to sign up now to reserve your spot. And of the many, many things I will be teaching you, will also include using a pendulum and a letter board so you can start getting your own messages. Join us.